Hello everyone, today we are going to make udon noodles. Let's start with preparing all the ingredients. Cut the carrots into thin slices, then cut into thin strips. Then cut some green onion, garlic, mushrooms. Cut some cabbages. Cabbages contain natural sweet. It's the best for udon noodles. Cut 2 fragrant mushrooms. It can enhance the flavor. Cut some lean pork. Cut the lean pork into short strips. Let's make the sauce. 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of chicken powder, 1 spoon of cornstarch. This is what the chicken powder look like. This is what the cornstarch look like. 2 spoons of light soy sauce. About 3 spoons of water. Mix it well. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce into the pork. Add 2 spoons of sauce into the pork. Marinate the pork. There are the ingredients: carrots, udon noodles, pork, mushrooms, cabbage, 1 egg, garlic, sauce. Add the pork fat portion. Fry out the oil or add some oil. After about 3 minutes, all the oil come out. Make the noodles soup very fragrant. Add the carrot strips, stir fry 30 seconds. Add marinated pork, stir fry for 1 minute. Add 1 spoon of cooking wine. Add the mushrooms. Stir fry for 49 seconds. Add cabbage. Stir fry 29 seconds. Add a pre-made sauce. Add 1 spoon of garlic sauce. Or you can add 1 spoon of salt. Add 1 cup of water. Boil for 30 seconds. Add udon noodles. Mix it well. Boil for 1 minute. Add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. Add coriander. Stir fry for 5 seconds. It is ready now, we can take it out. Udon noodles cooking this way is very delicious, rich in flavor. You can taste the freshness of mushroom, cabbage, and carrots. Pork egg will give you the protein. Add 1 spoon of soup. Go with the ingredients, it's the best. You couldn't stop eating it. Egg, mushroom, pork soup all in one mouth. What's more you can ask? My son said, "This is the best noodles I cooked." He asked me to cook for his friend one day. I hope you like this recipe. Try to cook at home, enjoying the cooking process. Subscribe and save this video. I wish you happy every day.